Introducing the all-new Cooper&Hunter OMNI Series, a cooling-only side discharge split system engineered for hot climates and modern residential installations. Powered by advanced inverter technology, the OMNI Series delivers dependable comfort while reducing energy consumption by up to 45% compared to traditional systems. Its compact side discharge design and smaller footprint make installation easier, with flexible wall-mounted bracket options for today's homes. Featuring 24-volt communication, OMNI is compatible with our multi-positional air handler, our stud-mounted air handler, and our A-coil unit, also with third-party indoor units that support 24-volt controls and R454B refrigerant, giving contractors greater flexibility for new installations and replacement projects. Engineered for quieter operation, the OMNI Series runs up to 25% quieter than conventional top discharge systems, delivering powerful cooling with less noise. The Cooper&Hunter OMNI Series. Compact, efficient, flexible, quiet.